Hi, my best friends, fourth grades. How are you doing? I hope all of you are feeling good. Today, inshallah, we're gonna talk about mid chapter 13 checkpoint. And before we start our questions, you should to revise some definitions that you need to remember. Definitions that you need to remember. Alright, can you see this question? Do you remember it? What is the meaning of perimeter? What is the meaning of perimeter? Perimeter is a distance around the shape. Don't forget it. The distance around the shape. Alright. The second definition, what is the meaning of formula? A formula is a mathematical rule. Is a mathematical rule. Don't forget this word, a mathematical rule. And the third one is related to this figure, and we can name this side with the name base and this side with height. Do you remember it? All right. And if you see this case, you can see also this side with base and this side perpendicular line is height. So the base B of a two-dimensional figure, the base B of a two-dimensional figure can be any side. Don't forget it can be any side, here or here. Or you can name this side also P and this side also P. So the base B of a two-dimensional figure can be any side, And the height is a measure of a perpendicular line, to base, I can see square corner here. That means the height is a perpendicular line to the base. Alright. And the fourth definition is, what is the meaning of the word area? Do you remember this question? Area is the number of unit squares needed to cover a flat surface without gaps or overlaps. So, for example, if you have this figure and you want to find its area, you will count all square units. So here 5 and here 3, so each area is 15 what? 15 square units. Square what? Square unit. Every square has one long unit and one wide unit. Every square unit is one unit long and one unit wide. Don't forget it. One unit long, one unit wide. What is it called? It's called square unit. Alright, here we go. The first question with us. Choose a best term from the box, and we have some vocabularies in our box: area, base, formula, perimeter, square unit. Number 1. A square that is 1 unit wide and 1 unit long. 1 unit wide, 1 unit long. A square, yes, it's a square unit. I'm gonna write its abbreviation, a square unit. Number 2, the what of a two-dimensional figure can be any side. It's base. Yes, it's base. The base and square unit. We talk all of that. Number 3, a side of symbols that expresses a mathematical rule is called a set of symbols that expresses a mathematical rule. It's a formula. Yes, formula. It's formula. Number 4, the what is a distance around the shape. The distance around the shape, it's, yes, excellent guys. Perimeter. Great job. Here we go. Question 5. Find the perimeter and area of the rectangle or square. He wants me to find both perimeter and area. So for the first figure in front of me, I'm gonna solve its perimeter at first. Do you remember the formula of perimeter, which says 2 multiply what? Plus 2 multiply what? Yes, I have a square. I'm gonna use this formula with it, or I'm gonna multiply 13 by 4 because all sides are equal in length, in especially squares. So what is the final answer? 26 plus 26. Excellent. 50 what? 52. 52 what? 52 what? 52 centimeters according to my units. Okay. Number 5, also I'm gonna find its area. Do you remember the formula? Yes, its base times height. Its base here, 13 multiply height 13. 13 multiply 13. Do you remember the way? Exactly, most of you remember it. I'm gonna multiply 13 by 13 by this way. I'm gonna take 1 as 100. 3 by 3 equals 9, and the plus 3 plus 3 equals 6. So the final answer, 169 square, because I'm talking about area, square what? Square centimeters. Alright, question 6. See, I'm gonna start with perimeter. Perimeter formula says 2 multiply plus 2 multiply. 2 multiply what? Great, 21. And 2 multiply what? 3. So the final answer here, 42 plus grade 6 equals, great job, 48 perimeter with feet unit. Great. Number 6, also I'm gonna find its area. Its area, base times height. 21 its base and its height is 3. Great job. 21 multiply 3. Excellent, guys. 63. 63 what? Square feet, because we're talking about area. Square. Yes. And question 7. This rectangle, I'm gonna solve it with another color. Perimeter equals 2 multiply what plus 2 multiply what? 2 multiply 8 and 2 multiply, great job, 15. 16 here plus, excellent, 30. So 16 plus 30, great job, 46. Perimeter with inches, yes, inches. And its area, base times height. Its base, 8. And its height, great job, 15. 8 multiply 15, step by step, 8 by 5, 14, 0 and carry on 4, and 8 by 1, 8 plus 4, 12. So the final answer, 120 square inches. Great job. Here we go, question 8. Find the area of the combined rectangles. And if you see combined rectangles, what is your first step? Exactly, you will draw a cutting line segment to divide the shape into completely squares. The first square with red one. Now I'm gonna find its area. Base times height. Its base is clear for you, equals 2. And its height is clear also for you, equals 5. Yes. So 2 by 5. Excellent. 10 what? I'm talking about area. So square. Square what? Square according to my unit, which is yard. The second answer, the second rectangle, as you see, where are its base and height? Its base is, great job, 18. So 18 multiply, its height is clear for you, 10. 18 multiply 10, exactly 180. 180 square yards. Great. So what is the total answer? Total area equals 118 plus 10 190 square yards. Great job. Here we go. The second question, number 9. I can see a combined rectangles. So what is the first step? A cutting line segment to divide the figure into completely squares or completely rectangles. The first one I can see here, and the second one, and the third one. Let's start with the first one here. What is its area? Its area, base times height, 2 times x length 5. No, it's not 5, teacher. 5 is the length of all this side. Now, so where is its height? Its height is 3. Look, you should focus before you choose its base and its height. So 2 multiplied 3 equals what? Great, 6. 6 what? Square meters. Square meters. And for the second one, area equals base times height. Its base is 2. And its height also, it's clear for you. It's not 5, it's 3. So the second answer, 2 multiplied 3 equals 6 square meters. And for the third one, what is its base? Its base is 8 for me, it's clear. 8 multiply what? Multiply its height. Where is its height? Its height is here. Is it clear for you? Do you have its length? No. From here or here? No. So I'm gonna use all side lengths, which equals 5. I'm gonna minus the black side length, which equals 3, which equals what? 3 according to his brother here. So 5 minus 3 equals what? 2. Yes, my height equals 2. 8 multiplies to 16 square meters. So what is the total answer? What is the total area? Total area equals 6 plus 6 plus 16. Great job. If you said excellent, 28. 28 what? 28 square meters. Great job. Here we go. Number 10. I have also combined rectangles. So the first step, a cutting line segment. And I'm gonna use my rule to solve the first rectangle. Its base is clear for you? Yes. And its height? Yes, 6. So its height equals 6. Now, its area equals? Great. Base times height, 2 times 6 equals 12. And second one, its base, yes, it's clear for me, 10. And its height is clear for me, yes, 8. 10 multiply 8, 80. So what is the total answer? Total area? Great job. 92. 80 plus 12 equals 92. 92 what? Square feet. Don't forget it. Square feet. Yes. Super, guys. Let's go. Here, question 11. Which figure has the greatest perimeter? In this question, he wants you to find the perimeter for each. Then you will choose the greatest perimeter. Let's see. And you should choose your formula for perimeter. 2 multiply what plus 2 multiply what? 2 multiply 5 and 2 multiply 3. So the answer is here 10 plus 6 equals, great, 16. 16 inches. And here, figure C, I can see square. So 2 multiply 4 plus 2 multiply 4, or 4 multiply 4 of them. Yes, you are right if you said that. Now 8 plus 8 equals also 16 inches. Figure B, 2 multiply 6 plus 2 multiply 3. 2 multiply 6, 12. Plus 3 multiply 2 equals, of course, 6. So the final answer is 12 plus 6, 18. 18 inches. Figure D, 2 multiply 4 plus 2 multiply 3. 8 plus 6, 14 inches. So where is the greatest parameter? 14, 16, 16 or 18? Exactly is gonna be 18. So figure B is the biggest one. Alright, question 12. Which figure has an area of 108 square centimeters? You should to look for about the figure that has an area of 108 squares centimeters. So for the first one, I'm gonna use my formula for area. Area formula says base time is height, 13 multiply 6. 3 by 6, 18, 8, and we carry up 1 equals 7. 78. 78 square centimeters, but I'm looking for 108. Let's see this one. 12 multiply 9. 9 by 12 equals what? 9 by 2 equals 18. 8 and carry up 1. 9 by 1. 9 plus 1, 10. I found it. 108. 108 square units. So I don't need to complete here and here. My answer is figure C. Super. Here we go. Question 13. Go deeper. And this is the last question with us today, guys. Which of the combined rectangles has an area of 40 square feet? You should to find the area for each. Then when you find 40 square feet, so you should to choose its figure. I hope all of you write your answers as a comment after you're watching. I hope all of you understand this revision. So see you next time. Love you always. Thank you.